I'm grabbing out my oscillating multi-tool for this Recore. I'm going to start by cutting out the old wood, and then over the next few days I'll let it dry out while I use the bottom skin as a template to trace and cut out my new core. I'll check the fit, make adjustments, and then once everything's good and dry, I'll prep the surface. I mixed up some mud and used it to fill the gaps around the wood, and then I slapped some more on and put it up in place. I used this wood on top to screw into, and it sucked the core up to the top skin, and then I filled the rest of the gaps. Once that's all dry, I ground a scarf around the whole thing and then cut some glass to overlap the whole repair. After I slapped it up there and rolled it out flat, I cleaned up the resin drips and then scratched it when it was dry so I could brush some gel coat over it. Back on top, I used a hole saw to re-drill the holes, lubed them up, and then I pushed the cleat through. I installed the hardware and used a plumber socket to get it nice and tight, and then I could clean it up and I was ready to hit the water.